Now let us proceed towards question number 3. It is very important question. You must understand it properly, and in order to understand this question, addition of algebraic expressions, you must remember what is term, what is like term, what is unlike term. First, add the following: variable with same terms with same variables are known as like terms. First is AB minus BC, comma BC minus CA, comma CA minus AB. First, it is very important to observe how many expressions are there. We have to add, but how many expressions are there. So we have to recognize how many expressions are there. So how we are going to recognize that, how we are going to understand that? It is very simple. These expressions are separated by comma. Wherever you will see comma or not say comma, that means end of that particular expression and start of new expression. Like here we have AB minus BC comma, that means AB minus BC is one expression, BC minus CA is second expression, and CA minus AB is third expression. Now how it is done over here? Look, first write expression number 1, which is AB minus BC. Then look at second expression, which is BC minus CA. Do you find any like terms, like when we compare it with first expression? What I said, like means having same variables. First term of expression AB minus BC is AB. It contains variable AB. Do you find or notice any variable in expression second containing AB, having AB as variable? No. Then we have BC, but yes, we have BC in first expression as a second term, and BC as a first expression in first term in second expression. So we have to place like terms before like terms, and one thing is important, that you have to write the operation which is before it, whether it is a positive or negative. You have, as in case it is minus BC and then it is plus BC. Variable is same but term is same, but their operation, the operation which the term, whether they are positive or negative, that is different. One is positive and another one is negative. And now in second expression there remains one term, which is minus CA. So neither we can place it adjacent or down towards AB nor BC, because it is not a like term. It is not like AB or BC, it is totally different. So any unlike term we are going to place it likewise away from these like terms, as I have done over here. Then third expression is CA minus AB. Just now what you have to do, you have to first note down CA. CA is first term of third expression. Now see whether in above two expression do you find any term which is like to CA. Yes, where? It is in second expression, which is in second expression. So write it just below that particular term, that is minus CA, and this is plus CA. Then we have minus AB. Just look, do you find any like term AB? Yes, in the place it before under that. So on addition, what we have to do on addition, we do not have to add these variables. We have to add constants. So in case we don't have constants in this particular expression, we don't have constants. So what we are going to do, we are going to place 1 before them. So 1 minus 1 is 0, minus 1 plus 1 integers become 0, minus plus is 0. I hope you have understood.